Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to log into Ambetter Health. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to it. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser and head on over to ambetterhealth.com. So it'll look like this, the URL, ambetterhealth.com. And once you are here, click on the three horizontal bars on mobile. If you're on PC or laptop, it should be up the top called login, so find the login button, and then after this you want to click onto member, and now this is going to take you to the login section of Ambetter Health. Alright, so what you need to do is put in your email address here, click on continue, and now you got to jot in your password, click on login. I'm going to save this. And now I need to go to my email account to get the verification code to log me in. Alright, so here is the verification code. So I'm going to copy this 6-digit code. And now head back to Ambetter Health, put in the code. And then I'm going to click on continue. And that's going to log me in.